I feel sad. Not like sad and like I want to cry sad, but just kind of exasperated due to several reasons. But particularly, I was really excited for the past few months because I got this program and I was supposed to go abroad for about 5 to 6 weeks, but because of the coronavirus and a lot of other things, it's been postponed to October, November. And I feel kind of sad about it because obviously I've been waiting for months to go to this trip and that was going to happen in less than 2 weeks. And now I'm not going. Sorry, I'm doing my makeup because I want to talk to you while I do my makeup. And so I'm obviously sad that I'm not going. And when I'm sad, I tend to do stupid things. And I know this from experience. You can see I have like a giant pimple right there. I literally found out when I was getting dressed for the interview to go, and that was when I found out, yeah, it's been postponed. So I was ready. I had to miss a day of work just to basically end up staying at home. And I didn't want to do that. I was like, I don't want to feel sorry for myself. So I was thinking maybe the best way to make myself feel better is to finally get my hair done again. Because I don't know if you noticed, but like my roots, my black is like really showing up in my hair now. So I'm gonna try and touch up everything, but also go maybe a bit lighter. Not like blonde or green or gray again, but like a lighter brown. I feel like at this point of my life, I really want to look natural, except not, because it's pretty obvious my hair isn't naturally brown. But I like it. I like the brown on me, and I like looking kind of warm. I used to be really into like the black aesthetic, and to an extent I still am. I also like how I look when I'm brunette, and I kind of want to explore that for now, you know? So the last time I did my hair was like back in September, and you can tell that I haven't gotten my hair touched up. So I'm probably gonna go in for a color, but also a little bit of a trim because I want to kind of look nicer for the next few weeks. I know it's being safe than sorry, which I really appreciate. I'm just gonna allow myself to be sad for the next few days. If you're wondering which salon I'm going to the Essentials in the Mall Gadong. I've used them a couple of times over the years, and so far so good. See you guys in a bit. If you notice anything different, I changed my shirt. And my makeup's done, so I feel a little better because I look a little better. So this is my hair in natural light. As you can see, it's a very, very natural brown, and I really like the color. I really, really do. I just want to go a bit lighter with my hair. I don't want to go blonde because we've been there. I just want to keep it very brunette. And I'm going to a salon now instead of just dyeing my hair by myself because 2018, not a great idea. But, you know, I learned my lesson. I'm gonna go to a professional and actually get maybe somewhat of a natural color now. So, well, the past few hair colors have been natural, but now I think I'm going to be focused on color as well as cut. My hair now is the longest it's ever been in years, I think. It's also the thickest, because last year I had my head shaved like halfway, so there was no volume in it. And now since this has so much volume, it just kind of overwhelms my face. So I'm going to try and keeping it with really light layers. So when it comes to hair color, I'm looking for something, like I said, that's lighter but not too blonde or too light, because I do want to keep it natural for my complexion and my Asianness. I kind of want to go like Shelby Wilson. If you don't know who she is, check her out. She is an amazing YouTuber, does a lot of beauty and hauls and reviews. She's great, and her hair is like the perfect color in my opinion. I think she recently got it done, and I screenshot the Instagram photo, and then I'm gonna ask Rena, who's doing my hair, to do it exactly like that. What are you doing?
Okay.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
So that's that. Hopefully next time I get to sit down and talk to you, my hair's gonna look different. Should be good. The first thing I had to do was pick out the hair color. I'm not very good at picking out colors. I'm really bad at art. I just know like kind of the different tones. So I decided to go for the 873, which is the light blonde, brown, gold. So we first started off by layering my hair. I wanted very, very light layers because I felt like my bangs and the length of my hair was just too overgrown and it caused like such a weird mess in my hair.
My mother always bring the knife and then bring the spray. When the guy also close to you, just swoop.
You don't do that in Brunei?
No, but I never do that.
Rena's really cool. To be honest, it's all pretty standard since my hair was already dyed. All they needed to do was just like bleach my roots and then reapply all the color. It looks blonde, but I promise it's not. It didn't take actually that long. It only took like, I think 2-3 hours. And the moment you've all been waiting for. Ta-da! It's hair. It's still brown. It's still very much brown, but like a different tone of brown. I think I consider this mahogany or cocoa. I don't really know. Yeah, it's hair. Like I didn't want anything that was too drastic, but I didn't want anything that was too similar to my last haircut or my last hair color. So I feel like this hair and this color is just a really nice middle ground. So thank you so much to Rena for doing my hair. It's actually been a few days since I did the haircut. I think about a week because I don't know. I just needed some time to get used to it. At first, I was like, what the heck is going on? My hair looks so weird. But after I washed it and just styled it my own way, which is just to wash it and let it air dry, now I really, really, really prefer it. It's nice. It's a good treatment. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special. It's just something that I wanted to make myself feel better. And it did, and I'm very happy about that. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do leave a comment down below if you want more casual vlogs like this. The next video might not be so casual, who knows? And yeah, like I said, if you like this video, don't forget to, I've already said that, my name is Bash Harry, and I'll see you soon. Bye!